हेलो। हे यू ब्यूटीफुल पीपल। सो आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही शॉर्ट है एंड आई थॉट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल get some help by this video. So this is about some measures to be taken during your maybe a workout activity or dancing or any other physical activity. So for me, मैं like बहुत ही young age में मैंने भरतनाट्यम एंड क्लासिकल डांसिंग में आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग माई my journey started there. And I'm from Kerala. I'm from the land of culture, that is Trishur. And but lekin because of my I'm an aeronautical engineer by profession, and पूरा जो मेरी journey रही है, I could not completely follow dance for a longer time. I had to stop dancing for a good period of good 10-11 years. So after a long time, like good 11 years, approx more than that, I have started my Bharatnatyam journey, and I mean it's a blessing. But yes, this requires a lot of measures. I've seen because मेरा बहुत कुछ I've gained weight throughout these years, and my body is not the same as long back. I used to be really physically active back then, comparatively right now. So a lot of things have changed. So I take a lot of measures, before I go to my class, or when I'm practicing at home, I don't have a class. So how it helps is, first is, yes, warm ups. You need to practice at least week may at least twice, a week, or thrice a week, or every day possibly at least for 15-20 minutes is required. It is required. It's mandatory. Most importantly, warm-ups and practices are mandatory. I'm still struggling. My guru is behind. My guruji is behind me. She keeps reminding me you have to practice each and every day, but I'm still struggling with that. So yes, include weight training. At least a little bit of weight training. In at least 3 times, 4 times a week will help you, give you strength. Yes, and walking. I mean, good cardiovascular walking will also give you that stamina. Apart from all of this, is something which is very important, and that is your other accessories that you need to wear. So I do include, like for Mandi adavus and adavus that requires jumps and a lot of feet work. So I do use some compression or ankle supports. So you can include that to your dance routines. I do include kneecaps and knee supports a lot. These are the kneecaps and knee supports. So I use it for both my legs when I'm practicing, when I'm doing adavus like Utplavan adavus, Mandi adavus, where you require a lot of Muru Mandi to Aramandi and jumps and twists and turns, and where your knees are really on pressure. So there, I mean, possibly if you have little bit of knee issue, or you have some pain in the knee, try to use kneecap. It is safe. And I mean, knee supports, these are safe, and this will actually enhance your practice sessions and your dance practices. So these are small tips, as I said: warm-ups, your weight training, your walking, little bit of cardios, and your everyday practice, possibly every day 15-20 minutes. These supports, these things really take you to a long way. I hope it helped.